So in this session, we're going to talk about just the basics of how to get into your BidMetrics account and basically some of the basic navigational menu bars and so forth. Keep in mind, this product is all entirely web-based. There's nothing to install on any workstations. Wherever you have your login, you have rights to get to the product. So whether it's at work, whether it's at home, anywhere that you could sign in with a web browser, you can get access to your product to, see any projects or update any information and things of that nature. So that's probably one of the biggest things that's fantastic is the fact that everything is in the cloud, everything's being backed up. There's no updates to install once a year or anything of that nature, like maybe other products and so forth. So it's just a real nice way of just being able to access something and use it right off the bat. So I'm going to go up to bidmetrics.com. It's basically the page to get me started. So once you've got an account set up, you can come in and log in. And basically, this is the first page that we see. So when I first come into the product, if you don't have anything set up yet, you may or may not have any projects set up. So right now we're under this button up here at the top for projects. So projects will show me whatever projects are already built in the system. Most of their system is a kind of a grid look. So for an example, when I'm looking at this, I can click on different things and it will actually sort by those different titles or whatever they are. So creation date, name, client, project size, those are all built in the system. So, every project will have those type of things. And then these we'll get into in a later session called attributes, where you can actually keep track of, what's the estimated started date, or what's a zone or a region or a market segment or things of that nature, and actually go back and actually be able to sort by different attributes to find projects and things of that nature at some later point. As I just kind of working across the top bar here, subcontractors is where we go and add our subs and vendors and so forth to the list. So same type of thing. It's kind of a grid system. So whatever I click on, it'll sort by. There's a handful of standard ones about, company names and contacts and phone numbers. And then you also have attributes here that you can create for, keeping track of bonding limits or subcontractor ratings and different things of that nature. And as we follow across the title bar farther, we'll see also that we've got settings. So this is where we're going to go into when we start talking about setting up those attributes for a project or setting up those attributes for a sub. It's also where we're going to go and set up any users to the system, update our subscription information, some of those type of things. And then help will bring me into a help screen. So that way they've got a knowledge base where you can do searches on or see most popular articles and so forth about the product. And then finishing off the title bar up here at the top, then you've also got the little symbol up here where it shows that I'm logged in, so that way I can edit my profile. And that is also how I can sign out of the product. So please make sure to check out the next one where we'll actually create a project.